How to start Netflix on mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can start Netflix on mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to start your Netflix account on your mobile, so you can go ahead and then open up your Netflix account. Now if you already have an account, then you can just go ahead and log in using your email password. Then after that, you can simply enter your profile pin and make sure to log into your Netflix account as you'd be able to find here. Now another way you can do it is if you're trying to create a new account, then you can also just go to Netflix app or go to netflix.com here, and then you can simply enter the email addresses that you want to use, then tap on get started, create a password, and then you'll be able to start using Netflix. This way you can start Netflix on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.